愛20歲，從細到高雄態。好是20歲嘅愛，會沙定兩種立場，老大家向下發講20歲嘅美。每擺都會有冇向專長嘅外國藝術家，批定愛定向下講，向下聊聊下個想法。北京母族打開耳講，聊到藝術家又會帶本愛到乜嘅上到嘅事情咯。因為你，讓愛定向下聽下下個想法嘅係匈牙利陶藝界嘅新時代女性。佢嘅飛嘅創作看起來唔係愛定一般人按據了解嘅，相信愛定台灣飛嘅之力，一聽就得幫你大開眼界哦。
看到安泰嘅飛玩，你們好留到眼會帶你去吃東西。其實，要把愛定嘅朋友係一位來自匈牙利嘅陶藝家，佢嘅名按到 Jiří。Is it Jiří?
Yeah, you got it right.
I finally got it right.
Yes.
All right, Jiří. So this time, in this trip, I'll bring you to explore Taiwan, meeting like Hakka people and then Hakka culture, and also we'll be making the really traditional,
Pottery?
yeah, the pottery, the wheel.
Okay.
Have you tried it before?
Yes, I did.
And what was?
Well, with enough practice, you get better and better, right?
Yeah, I
Like
hope so.
everything in life.
It is. And all the focusing and no speaking.
No speaking, no breathing.
You hold your breath like that.
When I was six or 7 years old, my grandmother, I had a very good friend, came over and she brought a bag of clay. I never seen clay before. When I seen this bag of clay, I got obsessed with the material. And I swear to God, I knew I was going to be a ceramic artist. It just, I felt this is the best thing on earth.
我相信上好。
哟，香婷哟，安总。
Hello, my name is Jiří.
Hello， 你好。
Jiří. And see, he's bare feet. 其實你為乜解會冇穿鞋子啊？
哦，主要在啡茶，因為係用奶個嘅絨毛做的哈，比較脆弱哦，所以從也做奶做嘅哈。
Oh, so this is made of clay, so it's fragile.
一就咩冇做係一做皮鞋呢？哎呀，
哦，大概以前嘅人就會按用做嘅。
古時候人都有嘅。
Wow.
You have to have like really strong muscles.
Wow.
Whoa.
我英國出世咪嚇，出世後一段時間，8歲到13歲，一段時間咩做事嘅，就同當到習師傅，日久以後嘅師傅就功夫就有學到，係。咁我爸就講我腳踢路啊，就按慢慢聽的，係一路行的就請感謝就阿爸阿媽永遠係一個師傅，就幫我按好繼續，今日將有安尼一個小小的一個地位。 玩好了啦。我以前係從
See,
阿爸
slow down.
嘅我寫生嘢，阿爸話我寫上天很細嘅，我咪做聽書睇，就會坐喺度睇。
Oh,
Yeah, that-
so one person would be helping with the wheeling, so.
一手就嚟得啦，嚟做睇。
Oh, so there would be like a string, and then you hold on to it, and then the other person would be like this, so that the master could be making it.
Okay.
Yeah, so you must have the company when you make this.
This is really, really amazing. I really respect his knowledge. Like he has 50 years experience, and he's just what he does is just completely mind blowing. I was thinking we have these kick wheels also in Europe. I never seen someone to use it, and I think he's one of the few people who actually does it.
Ah, I see.
跟大家说一声抱歉，来陶博馆有欣赏美的事物以外，没什么招待，就招待，看下集就知道。
我知道了，我大概知道了。
好
I kind of get it. So you have to take a look.
So it's a fish.
It's a fish.
这都夾骨幹磨嘅魚，跟台灣章魚，
台灣，那跟
跟台灣章魚嘅魚。
Yeah, it's very Taiwan. Typical Taiwan. We thought it's like vase, but no, it turned into a fish.
活生生的哈。
Yeah. 而且还很立体呢，感覺 so it's like really 3D, you know?
要按嚟慢很活，剛好因為一米啊，本就做到挑剔。啊，我現在讓它活起來，好不好？
好，
好，讓它活起來啊！
好。It's like blowing air in your lungs.
啊，爆掉了，再來一個。
I find it's not about making an artwork, it's about having fun and playing. So I grabbed the opportunity to be a kid. So I thought, why wouldn't I put myself into the position to be a child again? Can you turn it faster? Okay, let's give another try.
Yeah.
First, I will try this tool
Yeah.
because I never used something like this on a pot. Let me.
All right, yeah, you should
How
try.
does he use this?
You just put it on.
Yeah.
Like,
夾住，對，
夾住
好，往上提，往上提，往上提，對。
hold
Yeah.
哇，
Simple tool, but great work.
Yeah.
It looks like a coconut tree right now, like the stem.
Oh yeah. Well, we can do that. The quality of the work is actually, people might not tell the difference if it's made by a 5 years old little boy or a ceramic artist, but it doesn't matter. It's not about making a piece of art, it's about experiencing this technique and having fun.
Jerry 露露初体验，我凊彩供应机，你就做了一条鸭子树，鬼熊欣赏嘅 game 有罕见哦。发现 Jerry 从事环保唔信用，对生态咪动有想法，故所我就会带佢拜访日本人贴拍时装打扮嘅吴先生。
先生好
哎，香婷，
，Hi，
你嚟來。
Jerry，
嗨，
先生
嗯，好。
你嘅做乜嘅？
哦，我咧做一隻藥啊，去蒲番薯搶你嘅色。啊，你今日來做兩個藥哈。
好，It's a surprise
Oh,
to fill
okay.
up our tummy.
Oh, I thought to make some ceramic.
我做兩個藝術創作，上來應當講做學生嘅時節哈，真好飲茶。哦，所以要接觸到陶藝，因為就講做一些嘅茶杯出嚟用。啊，到後面我嘅創作越做越開始，因為講人嘅生活環境底下，應當可以傾到有那種創意嘅東西，所以一定會能夠做到環境底下，就像我哋下工作室都喺個自然當中哈。其實創作就會同生活、同我嘅環境、同那個自然哈有一些互動。就搶兩味來試茶。
好，經常搶你倆種嘅那個也是你的作品，對不對？
你通常係愛做嘅作品，你頭前那個乜係？
But these 兩個這個要怎麼弄上去啊？
那個哈係圖葉嘅慢下來之後，先做平嘅陶板，差唔多0.5公分，安尼泡泡嘅。然後將來這個葉嘅放到了當杯去來葉嘅
壓出紋。
來
這個也是壓出來的。I personally love this one.
I like these.
Yeah.
When I come here and have a look on his artwork, he's talking about or inspired by nature in a really positive and beautiful way, because he's just bringing nature into people's home.
香婷，生意啦。
好。
我呢邊摘葉嘅，我嚟做嘅作品，就平常時咧這個葉嘅哈，就聽到那個紋路，
其实每一种都做得长啊，对不对？
但是尽量找那个看老的叶呗，其他个纹理会较清楚，创猛作来你来摘。
用叶尾来其他植物来创作，这种方法对像我这种属于清好的人来讲，心心就念出来哦。
我这边准备好奶来那个工具啊，我来做，先来那个奶哈，来打做一堆平的陶板哦，所以用那个木头的锤子，打到差不多嘞，用那个桌面的棍呢，好嘞，这样用来那个叶尾哈，有一片。较平一片嘅纹理较清楚，所以迄那两面，那两面好边的时间，觉得有一些弧度啊呢，佢看起来会较刺眼。好来，然后呢，再用那个棍呢来给它纹理做东西，按那个纹理就清楚。
My artwork is also inspired by nature. It's more about human beings and the nature. So how we destroy the nature, how we disrespect it, and I try to highlight certain aspects of this.
哎，我们做完了耶！来看看，让
I can't believe it！
哇，商品做的是什么呀？
我做了一个我真嘅同上我用嘅笔叶。
哦，青苔的笔叶。
What about you? What is it? A vase, right?
Oh, it is, yeah.
We can tell very much from.
有批的番薯的米汤嘛。
Yeah, and you have to look at that. The smoke is coming out.
你做成不会番薯的，它运动很熟的。
运动。
你来打开来看看，
Move it.
今日嘅天时唔點用嘅變到暗紅，唔過有小奶奶嘅番薯，我想用自然來創造嘅 Jiri， 有愛到皮蛋機強下式等番薯，佢應該沒有轉到不卡嘅感覺吧。
I know you've heard about snake kilns.
Yes,
Right?
I have. I seen a snake kiln, just a model of a snake kiln in the Museum of Ingo. But I never seen a real one.
But now, don't worry about that. We're gonna visit this studio where they have this snake kiln.
Oh my God! And is it like really in use?
It is in use.
Gosh.
Yeah.
So let's go for it.
Let's go for it.
從沙個橋擁有重重嘅延伸，係我對沙丘嘅想象。沙丘到底係延伸見到範範，還係重重一條嘅呢？ Let's find out the answer together, shall we?
田先生，
嗨
你好，
你好，
你係嘅朋友。This Miaoli, this county, it's the hometown to wine pots like this. See, this is like the wine pots. 因为苗栗这里的土，它就是很粘性很高。
是因为它可以烧很高温。
哦，它可以烧很高温。
对，
那以前跟时间，这里是大量在制作酒瓮的。
对，我们台湾以前就是从日据时代到那个公卖局的时代呢，几乎95%的酒瓮，公家的酒瓮都是在苗栗定制的，所以我们说
95%
对，苗栗是全台湾酒瓮的故乡。苗栗因为它富含土矿，从狮头山到山义呢，中间有很多的矿脉，然后这种土矿是属于高温的土矿， 所以日本时代，它因为日本做了一些土矿的调查，所以在这边设了一些窑业。那在日本人来之前呢，其实全苗栗呢到处都有在做各式各样的窑业。像这家陶瓷厂很有名，它是我们苗栗最早做酒瓮的陶瓷厂，它昭和7年就开始做了。所以它是用弓当印记。那公卖局的人不知道，以为弓是公卖局，其实不是，是公馆窑业的弓。我们来看一下这个煲仔窑。这个煲仔窑呢，在南部叫做古阿油，像一只乌龟。
It looks like a turtle, but then the name of it it's called the bun kiln.
Oh, right.
客家话是叫
那有。
对，是为什么呢？因为呢，几乎我们传统的这个老房子呢，全部都是用这个窑烧出它的建材。
Now, like ceramic artists started to build their own kiln, and it depends what type of kiln they like. I used like smaller one, which you have the fire from 2 sides, but it always depends on the artist and depends on the finish you want to achieve, because every type of kiln has different finish. So I can't say, okay, traditionally we have this or that type of kiln. We have very, very different kilns. And also we don't have as established wood fire tradition as you do.
好，我们在蛇窑逛了半天，都还没有看到真正的蛇窑。
I know. We have to see the big one, the snake.
真正的蛇窑，对，还有带你们去认识一下我们的窑主
好，
林瑞华。
李先生，
哎，你好，你好。
准备好了，为了认识那个蛇窑。
哎，蛇窑，哎，对对对，这条蛇窑是民国61年由林天虎老先生带9位师傅花了9天的时间盖出好的。
That's not true. 9 days.
I know. 9天。
对对，9天，对
做得完。
这个工具，这个是窑盖，这个工具，这个工具是印这个土砖盖那个窑盖的砖。这个窑头的话，现在打开这里的地方就是头彩的地方，下面的是烟道，让它进风的。
OK。
这2个是在看它的火的，你可以从这边看里面火的流动。因为我曾祖父就开窑厂，那我毕业以后好像20岁就回来协助，那一协助就40几年了，就到现在。台湾的遍布全省的窑种的蛇窑是有很大的不同啦。为什么有很大的不同？它的窑头的设计是不太一样，所以说它在操作的过程，蛇窑的烧制那窑头都非常热。而且人很难去靠近，可是这座蛇窑的话，人是可以靠近的，是大家会觉得很压抑的。
And it's shining, it's shimmering, so beautiful.
这个就是窑头啊。窑头，这个柴烧就不上釉，这个胚体不上釉，因为柴灰高温的时候。它就会形成自然的釉，那越高温的地方，它形成的釉化变化越大。
那个釉几会附着到那个上面？
不用，那个柴灰就会在1250，它就会复杂这边就会留下来。
哦，所以跟这个墙壁上的是没有关系。
多少会它会反射回来。哦。
I've never seen such a large kiln before, like this snake kiln. Because we don't have this type of high-fired wood firing culture originally, I would love to. I was actually thinking to come back to Taiwan and ask him to fire the kiln with him, if it's possible, because he's really knowledgeable about this type of firing, which I've never done. Like, I never fired this snake kiln, and it would be a fantastic opportunity to see how they do it and learn, obviously, learn a lot.
是。
太公你好。
哦，你好。
Oh my god！先生，呢個全部都係你自己做嘅？
我全部做嘅，我做嘅少一部分嚟聽。
少少嘅呢，你多嘅係點用
差唔多做有200模強用嘅樣式嚟。
？This is like a little small portion of his works. He's got 200 something.
God.
My gosh! You see every cups?
You can drink your tea,
Yeah.
and once you feel like playing, you just play some music.
Now let's learn how to make
Yeah.
it.
来，其实它陶笛最主要的呢，它就是要有哨口跟音箱。来，一人分一小块。
OK.
这个先给你。
安子 Sir.
我们从小的开始练习哈。
好。
来，你看看这个，你大概看我的那个，我看这个分量大概就够了哈。来，录音家己都用过做嘅马桶费的过来两片的，当初过来两片要做花盆的，然后跟外销嘅餐盘。以前工厂大部分做外销，加做因为外销嘅生意冇安好的，那刚好我的一个好朋友。给他入肚后都会研发做陶笛，所以就那时候开始下去钻研做，用去做后陶笛。
哇。
哇 ，OK， 那我们现在音箱大家都做很漂亮，我们接下来做最重要的陶笛做好不好，重点就在这个气道，就在这个心脏就在这里。来看着我先示范一下，看着我哈，
OK，
手压在这边，然后呢顺着这个轨道往前推。好，有没有看到这样子？
And I was sure it's all about the angle. He told us we need to be really careful when we pull out these plastic tools. So if it's not completely straight, it wouldn't make the perfect noise, the perfect sound. And yeah, it's always you just make a little different, and at the end, it's okay.
Vì vậy, lão ngài đến cái sản phẩm真經係行強下嘅。這一路行，以為老ngài看到，為老ngài đến偏高嘅太暗光，然後做乜解嘅喏？
阿姐，嗨。
嗨，
係我嘅朋友 Jerry。
哎，你好。
What's she doing with this stone?
你嘛個會老兩個
嘿，我試看有爛鐵冇？爛
like
鐵，
broken parts。
Okay.
爛鐵水就會流鐵，就做唔得用。
我哋我嚟兩位，就是請問你那個有關於夢嘅資訊。
要一般吼就做透油。
哦
嘿
，so this is for making soy sauce。
All right.
你嘛個兩個，這個只有做調油對。
誒，要當到用處，比如講客家人嘅泡菜，我係要做透油嘛嚇，我要做得做酒，嘿。
那米嘅尺寸嘅某共用
嘿
也可以有同樣的功能吧？
係，因為你可能是因為嘅太細隻，有等人要用較大，有等人要較細，就係。其實呀，酒紅嘅嗬，講酒紅嘅就講唔裝酒嚇，唔講泡菜紅就裝泡菜，乜嘢就做得，用途當大啦。啊，以前嗬，塑膠嘅出來㗎，要薄嘅，我哋嘅暗光都冇賣，因為塑膠嘅較強咩。但是呀，5、6年以來嗬，大家又走到轉來買一樣對嘅暗光，因為暗光嘅用途較好，那暗光嗬用苗栗咧嘅那個石頭山咧嚟做嘅，啊佢有風化作用，唔除一久，佢就越好食安尼，嘿。
I wonder how they make such large sizes of。
嘿，
你哋係用嘅做嘅啊，一段一段接起來
嘿，
嘅。
啊，請師傅來表演本嘢就
好啊好啊
嗎？
Hello。
師傅，
好，你好，你好。
也开始要接要红的，哎，糯奶条，安怎糯奶条？
糯奶条。
嘿。也开始吼，要接头的花吼，第杯、老五杯，要各接一道。哎，海宁嘅一早唔会闭起，也给接木杯哈。好。
好了。
Our turn。
师傅，你搞边样的牛奶？
师傅，你来两位，你们可以自
我
做啊，你都来就做。
哈，师傅搞边牛奶？
弄了。用力的这样揉。
好，就用一般，然后。
不是按斗，不是按斗，一张按斗，嘿。嗯。
对，好，接我。
哎，来示范。
OK。
第一杯数了，我杯数这样嘿。
一个上，一个下。哦，
哎，
又上来，又上来。好。
哎，弄。
好，要这个手要用，呀，好。Yeah.
He said one thumb goes upwards and one thumb goes downwards.
I think the most difficult is to try to have this pressure. He has this really even pressure with his hand, like a machine. And like I could catch how his hands pressing the clay, but with his right hand, he had this pressure that I couldn't copy at all. I couldn't get it. Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Yay! Thank you, Master.
Thank you very much, Shishi.
安之森。
哦，是安之森。
Yeah. Good work. Nice job.
Well done.
Well done.
Good team.
新闻报道，苗栗铜锣几片嘅天球拍斜斜嘅，可能过去和老到台湾又落雪咧。一下嘟好係菊花採樹嘅時節，大家都嘅等下就會等眼條揀呢幾嘅採樹大家聽咯。
每一銅鑼呀，一笪地方當適合嘅菊花。台灣就只有苗栗銅鑼鄉有，嗰個就係台東嘅大馬里、太馬里，主要天氣嘅問題。差唔多過熱啊，3月嘅中到11月嘅15號就有採嘅，就開嘅花當做摘，都係摘1年一做摘300。
那一種嘅做得開始採啊？
就亞種嘅亞呢，對。一做拍色嚟就做得摘。
拍色 ，OK。If it's white, then you can start picking.
Okay.
一菊花清好、清涼幾好啦。佢做得用安尼落柑橘啦、菊花啦、雞肉啦，嗰個紅棗去燉啊色得清好啊，養生清好啊。
就什麼都唔是加，就只要菊花。
對，就加一啲雞肉啊。
Oh, so he said you could add like 10 flowers, and then with chicken, and then you kind of boil it for a long time, and it's good for your health, like
Cure some sickness or illness. In Hungary, chamomile tea is really typical. There are some herbal doctors. You go and you say, "Oh, I have this problem or that problem," and then you get a recipe which mixed different flowers, leaves. It's kind of like the Chinese medicine, but it's the European version.
先生，你係從底部開始還係？
按嚟摘嘅去。按嚟摘。
From the bottom。
做咗2隻樹葉塔。
哦。對。一種嘅做唔得摘啊？
按嚟蠻好摘。一種嘅盲摘。對。
那有黃黃嘅盲。
對，一盲。哦。我按嚟當拍攝嚟當做嚟摘。
He said not to pick up the ones with yellow parts.
不做也是的，完全用某些藥的，也某些除草劑，用人工割的，割草的。
You know, that's why we could go barefoot right now because it's organic. There are no pesticides and nothing chemical.
Good for us.
Yeah. Chrysanthemum tea. 阿爸，古时候咧，他爱人就老给冰底杯，然后
对，
加热茶。
对
哦，and also this
对，
one。
冲落去的，对。
冻酱的，你看。This is for you.
From you?
Yes. There you go.
对，
Have your sip.
那一塞比啊，
琼哈式茶。
对对，
干杯
We go 干杯。Yes，干杯。
好棒啊哈，好吃的哈。
很放松的，然后 very relaxing。
为涵盖了解菜地嘅文化，就會認識菜地嘅信仰。唔知大家都一見廟嘅時節，是單條看過冇？等一下我哋就會來認識，用飛葉來裝飾莊嚴嘅寺廟咯。
It's a Matsu temple, and Matsu is really like a very sacred god for especially fishing ports and fishermen. And you wouldn't see Matsu temples in high mountains.
Oh, because it's closer
Yeah.
to the... Ah,
Yes.
that makes sense, yeah.
And all you can see here, they're ceramics,
Alright.
the decorations, and mostly they're like folk stories of people. They want to pass it on so they could use this as storytelling away.
I've been in Taiwan for long enough and I visited some temples. So I noticed you frequently use ceramic as a decoration in temples, but this is the first time I've seen such a new. In certain churches, they use wood, beautiful wood carvings and sculptures. Yeah, it's pretty nice, but not that much ceramic. No, it's not so common in churches.
This is like a wonderland.
Yeah, so colorful.
张先生。哦，你好。Hello。這是我嘅朋友 Jerry。
交趾陶是夾個按照一隻平民，嚇。個交趾陶喺度中國大陸傳過來嘅。
It's from China。
啊，問題咧是講，你用交趾陶做了寺廟工廠的木檔的建岩工廠。哦，頭擺一等大神，佢唔係用交趾陶。在民國初年的時間，台灣是按照岩頭嘅碗上去建岩，一般的碗啊盤呢。有石木嘅啲岩嚟建法，
很勤儉呢。哎呦，
所以講建岩佢會建木當建岩啊，像安尼客家人嘅太牙木，個木當是要作東作太東，好多人也冇樣做。
作太東，點解要作太東啊？
就木當嘅個洞房啊，
屋頂嘅洞上會弄洞。
個盲木嘅你哋看得到，有人介紹。哦。
We can take，我們愛用去看一下，你老愛用小解一下那個，就是你嘅故事好嗎？
龍鳳宮兩邊順頭嘅壁太壁度，佢哋是愛圖片係要有本嘅啦，要做媽祖升天的故事，第一點海上救父兄的故事，你是講係媽祖廟。啊，那木檔來講，台灣你有看要有三國咧，啊那你像個按照封神咧，當然你學師的時間，聽講你做細學的時間，你老師傅就很看得到歷史故事，看到你開始看到師傅丟出來的東西講，你按照三槍孔明，哦，我第尾有看到一隻三槍孔明的故事，啊，當我教師嚟講啊，就唔一樣嘅，你喺度講詳細，你喺樣板人做，你喺乜嘅出頭，同內大人，係冇？或者水塘仁義地位，全部要有啊，對啊。 这个就是可以做的剪黏示范。啊，现在我们
Yeah.
割一个碗给你们看哈。先做细类的，做一类的啊示范，今日你的时间上的问题嘛哈。
So he's gonna cut a small petal for us.
And what is this material?
先生，你个係哪一種材
跟
質？
父母奶，
父母奶。
水奶，你講嘅水奶。
cement。
Yeah. That's what I asked in the temple. How they fix them together.
Oh, so they use cement and also, so there are two kinds of stickings.
對，今日做的起剪看啊。
Do you want to try
Yeah,
cutting it?
In the beginning, I cut the piece, and when I wanted to break, I tried to put pressure in the middle of the piece. But then I seen how he's doing it, and he cuts it, and he puts the pressure from the very edge of the piece. Yeah, once you break it, it's easy peasy. You just take it apart. And that was my mistake because I always it's not breaking. But it was so easy at the edge, like, bang. The other tool, you just needed to feel the angle you do it and the rhythm. It's kind of like, you know, when you're filing your nails, a little bit like that, like.
泰國剪刀按殺術，看起來當簡單吼，剪起來，我老唔講，數真經動痛。眼講過啊，剪染倆件事，還係留本泰國做就好誒。
Okay, let's say the palm tree is completed.
And what do you call this? Some kind of flower is also finished. Yeah, good job.
这个花好像被台风扫过了。
What? He said there was a typhoon probably.
台灣蠻耐嘅長長嘅風景，以下看到嘅山水風光，對藝術家來講就係假掉嘅空氣。以下就嚟向樹心靈嘅 SPA。Now this whole place is like so wonderful, but this master we're gonna visit. I heard that he lives in a place where he hand built, not a place, a paradise.
Paradise?
Yeah.
Are we going to heaven?
I don't know. It might be a heaven for you.
Nhung Bê Sinh Sang,
哎，
ngài tới Jimmy lời chim.
嗨，你好，你好，欢迎你们来。
Look at his hands, all the caterpillars.
啊，你唔驚蟲啊？有小雞唔驚蟲，我從東手看到咧。
Look, I can put on my flower.
OK, that's right. OK.
佢真係懂愛大自然。
哎用嘢啦，
不過 maybe later we can help him with, you know, picking up caterpillars.
哦，呀，我就去
Because they would eat all.
哎，對。我冇寫農藥，所以我通用煙去做嘅啦。
我聽講你嘅作品啊，動多都會類似你嘅神法，就是你每一天。
哦，係啊，我2013年概念哈，同用個花卉，植物花卉當我的創作主題啊。我從做寫我嗰下，我就當是好種花，好種乜嘅，做大學生嗰下，我咪好種花哈。然後繞植物嘅關係哈，也動很深刻。那麼深刻的經驗，能不能把它轉換成個藝術的陶冶創作？我想會試試看那樣。所以也係過程哈，就是一個探索的過程，是一個探索的過程。對對對，放樣一條來，
感謝。
來。然後2013年的作品有一些，但也有一些2008年的。
Oh, the flower is surrounded with.
What do you feel when you see this? It doesn't look like ceramic. 看起來冇像。
你都已經看過隻紅隻鐵都做，唔係隻湯奶都做，奶都做。
But also, this is like a really man-made structure. So we make all of these machines that we all surrounded with, and just the tiny drop of nature left that we try to control, but yeah.
那用发安咱们用发的东西。那个2013年该东西呢个展的主题是植物嘛，我想植物也可以画在花瓶上面，所以我就用画的方式。那这也是我第一次用画的方式来在我的展览作品上面出现的。
I like this one.
Under the ground, the temple underground.
Maybe the Machu.
Has he been in South America?
你有去过
那个是 Machu Picchu 啊，那个 Machu Picchu 啊。
Machu Picchu。
哦，这个就是我2013年的，我想象中的一种海边的植物嘛，叫水笔子嘛，跟大地的关系。然后从这个东西呢，变成了这个东西了，这个形状。
His work is very inspiring, particularly the pieces that's talking about how human being getting more and more removed from nature, and how we replacing natural materials with toxic materials like plastic bags. So for me, I can relate to this idea what he's thinking about, because it's also in my mind.
先生，
哎，
jury 啊，佢真係懂得識茶。
哦，是插着用插管来跑插，哎呀。
It's very beautiful.
哦，谢谢。
You kind of like this color, which is very
Alive?
alive and original.
Yeah. And I like it's flat.
It is. 哦，沖涼嘅係扁扁嘅講佢來按用嘅。
台灣的個做飛嘅師傅啊，哈，過熱參個一直都在用佢厲害冇強用嘅想法啦，整個去做在插管。
一次有做不
所以
完。
就講，那是講用一句講，個觀念就講，永遠是做不完的家庭作業啊，你就可以一直做。
He said ceramicists in Taiwan, they have like, he called it like endless homeworks, because whenever you have new memories or new environment, you're gonna put it into the teapots you're gonna make.
Oh,
So you have endless teapots to make.
Oh, I would love to make a teapot.
We should make a teapot.
Right now.
We should make it with our bare hands.
Oh, right.
Handmade.
Handmade. Handmade.
Then he should teach us.
Yeah.
好啊，你等下起看看。
先生
好。
走。
好。哎。
What is that?
哎，那得不面。
It's clay.
Yeah. 呀，他踢不黑马街啊。
我記得咯，我提一排去學嘢做飛嘅，個嘢提前嘢去吼，個線上是教我也不是用那樣。
按用。
嘿，就那樣。
按用。Mine's in a really weird shape.
做插夫吼，該有限的時間我就會做啦。哦，像講我做個大型的作品吼，他冇想到會做埋東西進前吼。 慳的時候，我就會
冇事情嘅時間。
冇事情的時候，我就會做。
先生，你用咩葵是那個做這種？
做陶藝哈，因為我高中嗰下就當學識叉咧。哦。太好嘛，強用學識叉，當然學識叉。學識叉來講啊，就用叉桿來刨叉嘛。後來慢慢的只有個流行嗰種老人茶壺啊，老人壺。老人壺。佢寫到嘅啊，有點像宜興壺嗰種嘅東西。佢開始就流行咧。嗰下我只係講，哦，有啲東西可刨叉、當神器，咁當學教嘅茶壺啊，寫慣啦，咁樣係。
I think drinking tea, and it's not just drinking, it's also the way they make the tea and all the history behind it. And Asian people, they really respect tea. In Europe, we have these large mugs and just snacking tea like water or any fizzy drink like Coke. We never sit down and think about it. I mean, we, like I'm talking about the majority of European people, we never really respect the nature as much as you do. And everything that's connected to nature, it's connected to my heart.
我而家條電眼橋咧，
唔會啦。
嚟食茶嗬，茶同埋梅冷睇咧。
Now we made the teapot and drinking the tea. 嗱，今日嘅茶。
東方蜜煙茶。
The
Oriental Beauty.
Beauty.
You are Westerner Beauty.
Yeah.
嚟食茶，係。
Thank you.
好食嗎？係。要冷天咧，讓打爽係。
呀，唔好冷天。So
熱的時候很好喝。
what about the teapot?
哦。
Did I fail?
哦，去跳舞也做樣斜斜的。
斜斜的。
Just I try to please my own eyes.
Oh, it's good.
No intention.
你哋看啊，我是講佢嘅外國人嗬，佢做下茶館嗬，怎麼有個東方的味道啊？嘿嘿嘿。
Shall I stay?
吉雄會在這邊當下駐村藝術家。
Maybe I should buy the neighbor's house.
Yeah, right next door to your master.
同先生飲點茶打隻鼓，也係陣校內之理，也本 jury 吸收更多嘅創作靈感。就從我哋一路行一次看到嘅椰子樹，也本佢以為想去到台灣係下來嘅念頭。
These 3 days was a free playing time for me, and I could try different techniques, and I could just play as a child would do. Like I could pretend this is the first time I touch clay, and on the first day we tried to make with this kick wheel, and then when we visited the temple. We tried to make the flowers, and then I was thinking, I should actually really prove I'm able for it. I can make a coconut tree, right? When we went for program to program, visited the masters, we didn't really have a long time to finish one proper piece. So now I had some time in my studio, and then I said, go for it, make the coconut tree.